Hello YouTubers! So, this was something a little special we went to do for the 4th of July. A little happy birthday America. We will hopefully get the STL files up on Thingiverse in my mini factory tomorrow on the 4th. And also, when we were at Earth, we had a couple companies that give us some filament, and one of them is a new filament company, US Monofilaments, and we're using their PLA Natural Works So far so good. It's laying down pretty nicely. So this is another little sponsored video by US Mono. This one by US Monofilaments. It's more of a thank you video for the filament. They'd given us some filament, and I told them because they gave us some that we wanted to make a video and have them as a sponsor to highlight their filament. So here it is. As usual, you're seeing it as we film it. It was basically a coin toss. I almost laid this down flat, but because of the size, I figured, well, I'll stand it up on end. Let's hope that was the right choice. We thickened it up, so it's pretty thick, so it should be alright. Anybody that follows us on Twitter, I put a sneak peek of this up, as we put sneak peeks up all the time of our stuff. So make sure you follow us there. Alright. Pretty good. I am actually printing a smaller one of these as well on the prusa. Just starting now. That one I did lay down flat. Alright, so it's so late last night I went to bed. It's always nice to get up and the print is done. Love it. Come out really nice. Now I printed two of these. This one here, I did this one just on the US Monofilaments, just to try it out. Looks like it come out really nice. Feels good. This one here, I'm going to give this one to my parents. We're going over there today for BBQ for dinner, and I'm going to give this one to my parents. My mom is very creative and artistic. She actually runs a little gothic / steampunk jewelry business on the side. She does Geared for Distinction. Look it up if you're interested. I only had a couple of her cards on me. I gave them out at Earth. Somebody asked, 2 people, and I gave out the only 2 cards I had on me. But yeah, she gets this painted up. I'll have to put pictures up, show you what it looks like afterwards. So I was really happy with the US Monofilament. Worked out really well, no problems. The adhesion to the bed was all good. It printed fine. I'll take that out, clean it up for my mom. Everything came out really good. So thank you again, US Monofilaments, for the filament. Here's a little video I told you I was going to post since you gave us some filament. Want to check out your product. Really appreciate you throwing us a roll. Actually, you threw us 2 rolls, one POA, one ABS. So I'm sure I'll get into the ABS at some point. I just want to say thanks again, and happy birthday, America. Appreciate you watching. If you like the design, you like the video, make sure you smash the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bells. We got a lot of content coming out this year. Have a wonderful day and have a very safe and happy 4th of July. God bless. And God bless America. God bless everyone.